Right, 5.5, council engagements, December 2017, and conference opportunities. What have we got there for you?
Yeah, nothing to add on to any of those. You should have all those in your diaries.
Sorry, just through the chair, can I just ask, the Union College New Zealand study tour, what was that about?
They come every year, don't they? I think it's-
I'm not too sure
yeah,
about
it's
that one.
yeah, they come every year. It's more of a geothermal sort of
Yeah,
group.
hosting them in the morning.
Yeah,
Yeah, apologies for me, I'll be in Hamilton.
yeah. That's all right.
Oh, just a small
Councillor King.
just a question. Just for the kind of representative group inaugural meeting, are we planning to all go as a council to support that inaugural? Because the significance of
I
it.
presume it's an open meeting, obviously, yeah. So,
Certainly is.
yeah. Be good, good to get as many there as possible. It shows support. We did have a mural morning tea there, very successful. On Friday morning, wasn't it? And Councillor Park came along as well,
Amazing.
wow, it was the best one we've had so far. We had a huge turnout and it was very, very successful. So I think you're right, Councillor King, if people can make it, that would be fantastic. Cool.
We'll put a meeting request in for the councillors.
Okay, that'd be lovely. Thanks, Tina. All right. Now they've got all those dates right and everything. So that's December, isn't it? So is anything January?
So your first meeting, you've got a workshop on the 25th of January.
25th.
Yep. And then the first spread meeting on the 30th, and council meeting at the beginning of February.
Is that a long enough break for everyone?
And adjust.
All right, we'll move that. Receive the information relating. Could I have a move, please? Councillor Kingi, seconded by Councillor Truman. All those in favour, please say aye.
Aye.
Those against? Carried.